But we want to go across the country now to see what's going on in some local communities across the nation. Let's start with News Nation's Kiter K in Spencer, Oklahoma, where a technical glitch resulted in some sky-high water bills for some residents.
Because you must admit, getting a $1,200 water bill, that can be pretty disconcerting.
Residents say utility bills have been spiking in Spencer since the city installed new electronic smart meters in late spring.
I think it's outrageous.
Lisa Johnlu's bill more than tripled.
My bill has spiked from a $60 water bill to over a $200 water bill.
One city leader says hundreds of residents are making similar complaints, including a man who claims they asked him to pay more than $19,000 for the month of August alone. Spencer City Councilwoman Latanya Williams says the bills don't even show the water billing rate.
Our residents still are not aware as to how much per gallon or how much we're actually paying for water.
Mayor Frank Calvin explaining to News 4 that the issue was a mathematical error in their billing system software.
The readings on the meters were correct. It's just once it went through the calculations in the billing system, that is what caused the problem. It was the calculations within the billing system was off.
He says as of Monday evening, the problem now fixed, adding they're working to reimburse anyone who overpaid.
I would not be paying a $19,000 water bill. I would say, nope, that's not me. You have the wrong person. This is a case of mistaken identity.
I've heard of $1 million shower after a really long day where you've been working, but that doesn't quite count.
Is that
where you feel like $1 million when you get out? I'm like,
I
was like, $1 million shower.
Spa treatment that I need to know about? Okay, you were surprising me that you went to the spa, but now I get it. Okay, let's head to Ozark, Missouri, where one cafe found a creative way to hire workers during a national employee shortage. News Nation's Ashley Eddy has the story.
When you sit down to eat at Rosie Joe's Cafe in Ozark, you might be greeted from an older waitress. Perhaps it might be 81-year-old Cora Jackson.
My problem is I like people. I like it when people come back and remember me.
Jackson isn't the only older worker at Rosie Joe's. Owner Rosemary Griffin says she now has several.
You hire the younger ones sometimes and they just don't want to work that hard. And so I like the older folks for the work ethic.
Griffin says this new diverse group of employees comes after months of struggling during the pandemic.
We were short of help for months and months and months and months. It was the first time in, like I said, in 20 years that we had to rethink how we were hiring and what we were doing.
With not all workers being older, staff members agree it leads to just the right dynamic.
We help each other, you know, if this one needs help or if that one needs help, or we work together.
Okay. I'm going to give a shout out to my producer, Paige, on this one. What a wonderful story to share. I want everybody to hire grandma and grandpa now.
Well, the labor force is just getting older, and it's good, too. It's good for people's health. The CDC has come out and said that people who work past the age of 65 are twice as likely to not suffer from serious health issues like cancer and heart attacks.
Yeah, because we need socialization. And after the past year and a half, our elderly population was isolated even more so than many of us here in this newsroom.
Absolutely.
And my grandmother worked at a cafeteria for a telephone company for years. So when I was watching that, I was thinking about Grandma Annabelle. She's upstairs now. You know what I'm saying?
They're going to be the friendliest waiting staff you ever had.
I'm telling you, like, feel like you're at home. You're at home with your grandparents. Thank you so much for that story. That was an excellent choice.